folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. We're going to take up the FMS 80mm SKYBLAZERS with the KM Models Afterburner. All right, the version 4 Afterburner. Right, left, up, down, right, left. My rates are Aileron 100%, 30% Expo. Rudder 105%. 30% Expo, and Rudder's 125, 30% Expo. So that's the rates of fly-in. Right, left, up, down, right, left. Now she's got a narrow gear, so you have to pay attention to that when you go to land. You don't try to turn too soon. All right, here we go. For the FMS 80mm SKYBLAZERS with KM Model Afterburner in her. KM Models Afterburner. Version 4 on the Afterburner. Run a 5000 HRB 6S. I want to say it's got a 50 or 60C discharge. Now the gear are sequenced and they take some time to go up and down, so you definitely want to plan accordingly. Want to take her up now?
Time remaining 3 minutes. Landing flaps.
The landing flaps incorporated with the brake really slow her down.
Gear down. Flaps up. Landing flaps.
No, I don't like that approach. I like that better. There we go. If I roll into the grass, that's okay. I don't want to try to get her to turn too abruptly because that gear is very narrow.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Okay. All right, we're going to take off from down there. Love that afterburner. I love this jet, period. Great sound. All right, we're going to bring her right down the runway. Full speed. Well, take her up. Flip her.
Landing flaps. Gear down.
Up awfully high.
Time remaining 1 minute.
All right.
Takeoff flaps. Flaps up.
Here we go again.
Gear up.
Love that afterburner.
30 seconds. Gear down. Landing flaps. 20 seconds. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1.
All right.
Flaps up.
Real quick, just because I love it so much, thank you, KM Models. Look at that afterburner. Can you see down the pipe?
Prop secured.
All right, let's check and see. We had 1 second left on a 3-minute and 40-second timer. Timer. Okay. Got to undo the afterburner. I have the afterburner set where it just stays on and idle. 37% perfect storage rate. Well, folks, this right here, if you're ready for a big 80mm plane, but you want something that's truly scale, then this, you don't need to look any further than this right here. This makes a great first scale 80mm, but you need to be ready for an 80mm jet. This is not a beginner plane by any stretch of the imagination, but if you're ready, if you've got several EDFs under your belt, several 70s, and a bunch of 64s under your belt, and you feel like you're ready for the big boys, well, this is a big boy. All right, folks, thank you for watching that. And Hobby Zone, thank you for sending this out to me for review. I absolutely love this plane. It's beautiful, very patriotic, and you know how much I love that, folks. Well, folks, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That is the FMS SKYBLAZERS F-86.